Alright, so this is an unboxing video of the Eurosport front mount intercooler for the mk4 GTI. This is my old intercooler upgrade that I had. I bought it for like $100 on Amazon. Post a link on that one. This one actually worked really well. The GTI now has a stage 2 plus tune, and basically I bought this one because I've been wanting to get a front mount intercooler. Also because I ran out of parts to buy for the car and I wanted to keep on building it, and now I have the Eurosport front mount intercooler to replace this one. That thing was fantastic. You know, everything speeds up to 155, driving around, everything was just fantastic. So what I really like about the Eurosport intercooler is that the other pipe runs along the bottom, and I'll do a second video of the engine bay so that you guys can see why I needed the intercooler to go in the bottom. I mean the intercooler pipe to go in the bottom. So what is this? Got the pipes over here, the silicone hoses. What we got going on over here? Comes with a DVD, drill bit, some bolts. God, I can't think of it right now. The thing to make the threads comes in that. We've got all the pipes right here. Another pipe right here. This. And then this one would be the actual front mount intercooler. Very nice. Do a close-up for the intercooler. That's what it looks like, and it's gonna go right there, and that's gonna be a lot better than what I had going on. So that is my unboxing video for the Eurosport front mount intercooler. So the reason why I wanted the front mount intercooler with the piping on the bottom is because I have my catch can over here, and I didn't want to mess with my engine bay and just have everything routed on the bottom. But yeah, that's Eurosport front mount intercooler for a mk4 GTI. I'm gonna do another video, not really an installation video, probably one after everything was installed, and kind of like just talk you through it, take a lot of pictures, post it up so that there'll be some pictures and videos of their intercooler on a Mark IV GTI.